Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and help you to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, it is car and purse day, and it is date night, so let's get going. This morning you've already gotten up and hopefully you've done your morning routine. If you haven't, let's go do it. Once you've gotten your morning routine done, that means you've gotten your bed made, your bathroom is in shape, you're in shape, the kitchen is in shape, you've had a little breakfast maybe, and a little coffee or tea. Time to get the kids up, you're feeling in control, and you can help them through their morning routine. After that, we're going to go right into our laundry, put your laundry on, and do an inch of paper clutter if you still have some. Then we can go right, because we have some more to do in the evening for routines, but those are standard and we're not going to worry about those right now. We've got the rest of the day after we get these next two things done. Basic weekly plan, which is car and purse day. That means go to your car, get out all the junk, sort it, put it away, give it away, throw it away. Remember, if you will, that when you take your key out of the ignition, or I know some of you have cars that don't require a key, but you get the idea. When you turn your car off, that's your key, right? It may be an imaginary key, but it's a key. So once that's done, you're going to say, what's the key for? Oh yeah, for picking up all the stuff that's in the car every time, where you're going and when you're coming back. Throw away trash, get stuff out of the car. Don't put crazy amounts of stuff in your car because it's harder to get it out. You're just going on a short little trip across town, right? Next thing is to look in your purse. So we're going to dump the purse out if we're at home. If we're at work, you're going to just use those garbage bags or grocery bags that are in your drawer at the office to go on your break and clean out your car real quick. And then we're going to dig through your purse because you can't dump it at work, I don't think. But at home you can. Just dump it out on the floor or lay something on your bed and dump it out. And I suggest that you switch purses if you have more than one purse. Clean the purse up that you just used and put it away. Now listen, this is not a 5-hour thing. This is a 2-minute thing. Wipe it off, stuff it with paper, stick it on the closet shelf. I just use the same paper to replace the purse that I just used. So if I'm using a new purse, I take the paper out of that one, a new purse, meaning one that I hadn't used last week, and put that paper in the purse that I was just using. It keeps it whole, but keeps it, you know what I mean. It keeps it from being rumply. So if you don't do that, that's fine. You don't have to do it. It's just what I do. It's just a suggestion. All right, so clean your purse out. Only keep what you want in there. Get rid of the stuff that migrated to your purse and all the trash, and go forward. Now you know where it is, everything. You know where your phone goes, your purse goes, your pen goes, your hand sanitizer is, your Kleenex, any other little sundry things that you have in there. So there you go. That's car and purse. Next, we're going to go to the bedroom, master bedroom. This is our final day in there, and do something in there, one thing, either in the master bathroom, closet, or room itself. If it's decluttered, then 5 to 10 minutes of a single item, doing something in your room to make it nicer. Deep clean it, organize it. If it's decluttering, then it's going to take 15 minutes plus the time it takes for you to complete the process. Once you get that clutter out of there, remember how long it took you to get rid of it. It doesn't take as long as you think, but it's harder than deep cleaning. Deep cleaning is so much easier when there's no junk in your room, okay? All right, that's it for today, except for you're going to have a date night. So let's get the kids ready for bed after dinner. We're going to have our after dinner routine and get the kids ready for bed. And then you're going to get yourself ready for date night. Enjoy that time alone with your husband. Doesn't have to be out of the house. There are loads of videos on what to do for date night if you can't get out of the house. The idea is that the children are not part of this. This is for you and your hubby, okay? Okay, now if you're working, you're going to come home and you're going to, well, first of all, you're going to clean your car in your lunch hour, which I've just told you, or even on your break, and your purse. And then you're going to think about that last item on the weekly home blessing hour for the kids to do, for one child to do. And when you come home, you're going to inspect that. Then you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, start dinner, go and work in your room for 10 minutes max. or 15 if you have to declutter. And then you're going to think about what you're going to do for your date night. So we're going to have dinner for the kids or dinner with the kids, depending. Everybody's going to clean up together, and then the kids are going to have the before bed routine. Then you're going to have your get ready for date night routine. And enjoy your date night with your spouse. And don't forget that you still have a time to go to sleep so that you can wake up before the family tomorrow. Might be a little later than normal, but Sunday you're going to be right back on schedule because you're going to church. So on Saturday, if you stay out late and you think the children will sleep late, then you can arrange to get up later, as long as you get up before the kids and get yourself going, because Saturday's Family Fun Day. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.